This past October, we took a trip to Salina, Utah. That was our planned destination to visit a couple places we had never been before. The first was Fish Lake off of I-70, about an hour or so. Started out as a very foggy morning, and when we got to the lake, which is pretty long, the colors were still in good shape. Hardly anybody around, so no real crowds. There's a paved trail or road off the main highway that surrounds the lake, and it was exceptional. Great colors as seen by these photographs. We even had a chance to put the drone up in the air. Day 2 was the Nebo Scenic Loop. It's about a 35-mile loop in the Uinta National Forest, again in Utah. It was, again, about an hour away in a different direction from our first stop for Fish Lake out of Salina, Utah. It was a colorful day, cloudy, and the clouds were swirling, it seems like, all the time. So every few seconds it seems that you could get a different view because of the clouds and the way they were going in and out of the canyons and the mountains. It was pretty windy though, so I couldn't get any drone shots. Here's a photo from what is called the Devil's Kitchen, kind of a miniature hoodoo of Bryce Canyon. It was a convenient stop off the paved trail. My friend John got a good photo from this shot, so I got a photo of him. The naked aspens were really very neat. And then to wrap up the trip, we found some abandoned houses and buildings, and so John and I both like to do that, so we were obliged to take a few photos as we were heading back to Salina, Utah. All in all, it was a fun trip, and we hope you enjoyed it.